Let's start with the second ledger posting. Purchased furniture from Jodhpur Furniture Mart, rupees 800, or Jodhpur Handicraft Company, rupees 800. So what two accounts are being affected? It is furniture account, and I will have to pay to Jodhpur Handicraft Company later. So these two accounts. Don't confuse yourself with the word purchase. Purchase is recorded for the items in which you deal on daily basis. It is furniture and assert which is coming in. So you can't debit purchase account. See, quickly write down the entry for it is furniture account debit. Furniture account debit by 800 because assert is coming in, it is increasing, so I have to debit it. And then credit Jodhpur Handicraft, my creditor, I have to pay him later. Jodhpur Handicraft 800. Now let's start posting it. So the two accounts which I have to open is furniture account and Jodhpur Handicraft account. And Jodhpur Handicraft account. So let's start posting. Furniture account debit to Jodhpur Handicraft. Furniture account debit side, you have to write it in the debit side because furniture account is debit. Post it here, write the date to Jodhpur Handicraft and the amount is 800. Okay. Now what is credited? Jodhpur Handicraft is credited. So just for the Jodhpur Handicraft account, take the credit side. By this time you need to know that you have to write something here in the credit side. Okay. What will you write? Furniture account debit to Jodhpur Handicraft. So you are crediting furniture account by furniture. $800. See, furniture account debit to Jodhpur Handicraft. You cannot have in Jodhpur Handicraft account, you cannot have to Jodhpur Handicraft. I am repeating this as in the earlier entry. In Jodhpur Handicraft, you cannot have to Jodhpur Handicraft. So you need to have by furniture account 800. This is the way you post an entry. Try as many entries as you can and then you will be good at posting the entries in a ledger.